Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to solve handwritten equations with AI in Goodnotes in 2026. Now, did you know Goodnotes can solve your handwritten equations using AI? No need to rewrite anything, just let the app do the work, and here's how. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. You're gonna make sure you go to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna search for the Goodnotes application. Once you find it, you're gonna click on install and wait for the installation to be completed. Then you're gonna launch the app. Now, as you can see, I have a bit of a problem with the language. It says displayed in French, although my device is already in English and etc. But I think this is an app-related problem. So we're just gonna go here. You're just gonna follow my instructions. Now, the first thing you wanna do is write the equations by hand. You're gonna write a new text like here, this. You're gonna select block note and select blank. This is here, which means blank. We're gonna select this one right here. Then you're gonna create a new document and you're gonna click on the stylus so you can write your handwritten equation. For example, I'm gonna click on 5x like this equals 15. Let's see, 15 or 10. Let's write and start with a simple one. Here, now you're gonna select this option right here, so you can select the handwritten equation, use the lasso tool, and I'm gonna like draw a box right here on it and click on the AI icon, just like this. And then you're gonna create this icon. You're gonna click on solve the equation. You're gonna write on the prompts solve the equation. It's right here. And then you're gonna click on here. You're gonna click on search. You're gonna send. Then the AI will generate your response after giving you after analyzing the request. Let's see here. It says answer a math problem. So we're gonna click on yes. I'm gonna send the request again, and you're gonna try with the AI until it understands the equation and it gives you the answer. Now, solving handwritten equations has never been much easier, so let AI handle the equation and the work while you focus on learning. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.